Folks, I'm just here to remind you that we've not got long left probably. China, America, Britain and the whole Europe's going to war soon. This pretty sure that bird flu is going to mutate to humans very soon, which is going to be really bad. It's going to make COVID look like what it was is a simple flu. No, that stupid arm ticket is for to shut us all down as well. I've had a few family members die of heart attacks because of the arm ticket. Greta Thunderflies, no, you in the media, man, you're a puppet. No, free the Tates as well. Still got that as well. Free the Tates. Get them out of jail now, man. It's a joke. Greta Thunderflies, stop crying because they're going to get released, and that's it. No, and fuck the government, fuck the establishment, they fuck us.